A lot of people don't know this, but you're about to learn something powerful. Do you know what Fanta, alligator pepper, and bitter Kola can do spiritually? These three simple items are not ordinary. When you combine them, they bring sweetness into your life, open doors in your business, and they attract prosperity. If your business has been struggling, if your customers has been reducing, or life just feels blocked, listen carefully. I'm going to teach you two powerful ways to use this particular remedy. Get Fanta and alligator pepper. Before you go to bed at night, get one bottle of Fanta. Get 21 seeds of alligator pepper. Remove 21 seeds from that alligator pepper. Remember to always activate alligator pepper properly. Open it from behind. Once activated, drop the 21 seeds inside the Fanta and cover the bottle. Hold it in your hands. Say your prayers into it. Say this prayer: as I drink this and as I bathe with this, my life shall become sweet. My destiny shall attract goodness. My business shall attract customers. Let your breath enter the bottle as you pray. Then cover it and keep it. The next morning, that is in the morning, before you speak out, before you talk to anybody, before you step out of your house, drink a little from that Fanta. Declare that your life will be sweet. Pour some into your bathing water. Bathe from head to toe without soap or sponge. Don't towel your body. Allow the water to dry naturally on your body. Then dress up and go about your day. Do this particular remedy for 7 days and you will see testimonies. Another method of using this is by using bitter Kola addiction. At night, get some pieces of bitter Kola. Soak them in water till morning. By morning, add that bitter Kola water into your bathing water. Then add a little Fanta to it as well. Pray over it. Then bathe with it, head to toe. No sponge, no soap. Leave your body to air dry naturally on its own. Do this for 1 week straight. My dear, you will be surprised how doors will open, how customers will locate you, and how your life will begin to attract sweetness again. This is nature's power. It's simple but mighty. Don't play with spiritual tools. If this message spoke to your spirit, follow me right now, turn on notifications, and share this video so that more people who need it can find it. I'll keep dropping back-to-back spiritual keys. You don't want to miss what's coming next. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.